Hello, welcome to Vinci Tech platform. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to invest on a dollar denominated investment. The app we are going to be using for this investment is called Risevest. It was founded in 2019 and it has over 40,000 people investing with them. I'm going to show you how to invest using the Risevest app. When you go to the application, you click on products. This is what they are offering for investment. They have the stock, the real estate, the fixed income, and they have here also build a wealth, which composed of the three investments. You can build a portfolio through this build a wealth icon, which composed of these three investments. So let's start with the stock. Rise help you to invest in the stock market, which yield a high growth stock in the US markets. They have a historical annual return of 14% per annum. The risk level, it's very high. So if you're choosing to invest on the stock, just know that the risk is very high. So I want to advise anyone who doesn't know anything about the stock market to invest on the stock. Let's go. But you can still invest on the stock because the investment is not done by you, it's done by professionals who are working for Risevest. So let's go back to the next. The next we are going to be talking about the real estate. In real estate, you can invest in a portfolio of rented building in the US, and this portfolio will be managed by Risevest professionals, which they can generate capital through rentage. And their historical annual return for this investment is 15% per annum. Per annum means per year. So the risk level is medium. Also, it's an investment you can invest on because the risk is not that high and it's been managed by professionals. Let's go back to the next. The next is what I call the dollar denominated investment. This is fixed income, a smart and safe way to save for the future. Balance your portfolio and plan for a short-term goal. The historical annual return is 15%, which is very high, to be sincere, and the risks compared to the return, it's very low. So this is what I would advise anyone to go for, the fixed income investment, of which I'm taking advantage of it right now. I've been with them for almost 6 months. So let's go to the last and the final one, which is very interesting. This is a way of becoming financially free. Actually, building a portfolio with Risevest is very interesting. It's very interesting, and I would advise you to go for this if you're aiming for a long term. Using this building of a portfolio, building wealth icon on Risevest, you can plan for any event in the future. Maybe you want to build a house, you want to buy a car, you want to buy land, or you want to save for your children's school fees. So when you click on the build wealth portfolio, you will see how to calculate your annual return depending on the year you want to retire. Let's go over it. So I'll show you how it works. So you go to they will ask you on this platform, how old are you? You can just click on how old. I'll just put 30 years there. So they'll ask you what's your monthly income, how much do you earn monthly. I'll just put like 50,000. 50,000 is like it's equivalent to $88.50. So just imagine how the deflation is killing the naira. So they ask you how many percent of this your monthly income do you want to invest on this portfolio, which is building a wealth. So I'll just say I want to invest 100% of my income. So last but not the least, they ask you, when do you want to clear this investment? So like how many years, in how many years time do you want to clear this investment? So let me say I put, okay, I want to clear this investment in maybe 5 years time. So I'll just put my retirement to be like 35, which is in 5 years time. I'll clear the investment. Another important part that I would like to talk about, it's about your choice of portfolio, how you want to break down your portfolio. So breaking down your portfolio depends on what you want. Do you want a capital growth? Capital growth, it's for aggressive investor. What they mean by capital growth, they are going to invest your money on high risk investment that have the capability of returning, of giving you back a high return. So there's another one, which is stability. Stability is just like a medium risk. There's risks in it also, there's medium risks. And the last but not the least, it's security. Security, which is the dollar denomination investment. So the dollar denomination investment is what I'm taking advantage of, which is more secure than the others. So you just click on security, then you click on calculate. So Rise will calculate for you how much you earn, how much is the annual income, how much is your annual saving. Just look at the curve. In 1 month time, you're depositing $88. In 1 year time, you'll be earning $152 additional to your $88.50. Then in 2 years time, you'll be earning $327 additional to your 88.50 cents. So it goes on and on until you reach up to that 5 years. So 5 years, in 5 years time, they will calculate your total investment and your total return. So this is the total investment and the total return, which is $8,094.32. This is what you're getting after 5 years with this investment. So your total savings, the amount of money you put in this investment is 5,309 cents. So if you minus the 8,094 cents from the 5,309 $9, you will get the interest. This is so amazing, guys, so amazing. By the way, I just want to clear something up. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not a financial advice. I would like for you to make your research before investing on this platform. This video is entirely for educational purpose. I'm an investor on Risevest and have my investment there. I will leave my referral code down below this video. When you use my referral code, you get a bonus. For any questions and comment, you can leave a comment in the dashboard below, or you can subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. When I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you.